Struggling with stubborn thigh fat and wondering how to lose weight in thighs? You're not alone. How to slim thighs, best thigh workouts, and lose thigh fat fast are among the most searched fitness goals for women. The truth is, thigh fat is one of the most persistent areas to tackle, but with science-based strategies, you can absolutely see progress and sculpt leaner, stronger legs. How to lose thigh fat. Step-by-step Guide 1. Burn body fat with aerobic exercise. The secret to losing thigh fat is burning overall body fat, since spot reduction doesn't work. Choose high-energy cardio routines like running, cycling, dance cardio, HIIT workouts, and swimming for maximum fat-burning benefits. Mix up your routines. Variety keeps your workouts exciting and challenges your body to adapt, accelerating results. Cardio for thighs, thigh fat burning exercise, and HIIT for weight loss are essential SEO keywords in this niche. 2. Smart nutrition for fat loss. What you eat is just as crucial as the exercises you perform. Focus on a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, and colorful veggies. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day keeps your metabolism humming and prevents fat storage. Don't fall for starvation diets. Your body thrives when you nourish it often with the proper nutrients. Key search terms: healthy meal plan, metabolism-boosting foods, protein for muscle growth. 3. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, reduces water retention, and aids in fat metabolism, meaning you can lose excess water weight that often collects around the thighs. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, adjusting depending on your activity level and climate. Hydration for weight loss and how to lose water weight are excellent SEO phrases to include. 4. Build lean muscle with strength training. Strengthen and tone your thighs and glutes with targeted moves like squats, lunges, and step-ups. Building muscle not only shapes your legs, but also increases resting metabolism, so you burn more calories and fat around the clock. Leg workouts for women, squat challenges, and toned thighs are prime keywords for your audience. The path to slimmer thighs. It can take time to see significant changes in your thighs, but with consistency, these science-backed tips truly work. Transform your lower body by staying committed to routine movement, mindful eating, consistent hydration, and regular strength training. Ready to unlock your best legs ever? Subscribe for more slim thigh workouts, fat-burning tips, and total body transformation guides. Your journey to confidence and strength starts today.